Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 dash cameras in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading dash camera that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. This advanced dash camera is packed with features to enhance your driving experience. The ROVE R2-4K Pro records in 2160p UHD at 30 frames per second. Capture every detail with stunning clarity, perfect for reading road signs and license plates. Connect your iOS or Android devices via 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Use the ROVE Dashcam app to view, download, and share videos effortlessly. Built-in GPS records real-time speed, compass direction, and precise driving routes. It stamps locations and speed directly on videos as additional evidence. The R2-4K Pro features a supercapacitor, voice guidance, f1.5 aperture, 150 degrees wide-angle lens, emergency video lock, loop recording, and supports microSD up to 512 GB. Offers 24-hour parking mode with time-lapse, motion detection, and collision detection. Get notified of events while your car is parked. In conclusion, the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam is a top choice for any driver. Its advanced features and user-friendly design ensure a safer driving experience. Number 4. The Redtiger Dashcam Front Rear, a 4K 2.5K Full HD dash camera packed with impressive features. The Redtiger F7NP records in Ultra HD 4K front and FHD 1080p rear, capturing crucial details like road signs and license plates. Its wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots significantly. With an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and HDR/WDR technology, the Redtiger Dashcam provides exceptional night vision. It captures clear images even in low-light conditions, ensuring safety. Connecting the Dashcam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi is a breeze. Use the Redtiger app to view, playback, and manage recordings. Share your travel moments effortlessly. The built-in GPS records driving routes, real-time speed, and location data. Track your journeys on Google Maps using the app, providing additional evidence in case of accidents. The loop recording feature ensures continuous recording. The G-sensor detects sudden collisions, locking and saving the video. A 24-hour parking monitor provides continuous surveillance. In conclusion, the Redtiger Dashcam Front Rear is a fantastic investment for any driver. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, it ensures your driving experience is safe and well documented. Number 3. The Garmin Dashcam Tandem. This compact dash cam offers excellent video coverage with its dual 180-degree lenses and night glow technology. The Garmin Dashcam Tandem features two 180-degree lenses, providing complete video coverage around the driver. This ensures you never miss a moment, keeping you protected on the road. With 1440p Garmin Clarity HDR for crisp video details and 720p interior-facing lens with night glow technology, you'll capture clear video of all passengers, even at night. The Dashcam includes voice control and built-in GPS, automatically capturing where and when events occur. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you view and share videos on your smartphone. The auto-sync feature allows you to control and play back synchronized video from up to 4 dash cameras on your smartphone, using the Garmin Drive app. Parking mode records motion in front of and inside the vehicle when parked. The included charger with an extra USB port lets you power your phone or another device on the go. In conclusion, the Garmin Dashcam Tandem is a fantastic choice for drivers seeking comprehensive coverage and advanced features. Number 2. The Redtiger F17 4K 3-channel dash cam. This cutting-edge device is packed with features to enhance your driving experience. The Redtiger F17 captures 4K front and 1080p inside and rear views. With a 150 degrees front, 160 degrees cabin, and 155 degrees rear view, it provides 360 degrees full protection. The F-17 Dashcam is compatible with the Redtiger app for instant access to videos and route records. Enjoy faster data transfer and real-time GPS data as evidence in accidents. Equipped with a starvis sensor, 4 IR lights, and WDR technology, the F-17 ensures outstanding night vision. Drive safely day or night with clear recordings in low-light conditions. The F-17 supports 2.5K dual-channel recording. With the inside camera off, achieve 4K front and 1080p rear recording. Enjoy high-quality recordings for added security. The F-17 features 2 parking modes, time-lapse and impact detection. Capture incidents while parked with front, rear, and interior cameras for comprehensive coverage. In conclusion, the Redtiger F-17 4K 3-channel dash cam is a must-have for any driver. Its advanced features and user-friendly design ensure your journey is fully protected. Number 1. The Redtiger F-77 4K plus 4K front and rear dash cam. This high-tech dash cam boasts impressive features that make it an essential addition to your car. The Redtiger F-77 captures stunning 4K footage with its advanced starvis 2 IMX678 sensors. This ensures crystal-clear recordings both day and night, making it the ultimate dash cam for drivers. Equipped with high-spec starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, the F-77 excels in night vision. Its 7-layer glass f1.8 wide aperture lens and 4K HDR WDR technology guarantee clear images in low-light conditions. Say goodbye to memory cards. The F-77 comes with 128GB eMMC storage, offering faster write and read speeds. Enjoy 5 hours of loop recording without worrying about video damage. The F-77 features 12 voice commands and a 4-foot touchscreen, allowing for hands-free operation and intuitive navigation. Enhance safety and convenience with this user-friendly dash cam. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the F-77 ensures faster data transfer and a stable connection. The GPS function records real-time speed and location, providing additional evidence for any disputes. In conclusion, the Redtiger F-77 4K plus 4K dash cam is a top-tier choice for any driver. Its advanced features, user-friendly interface, and superior recording quality make it a must-have for your car. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.